Hey there, channel goers. It's Laurie Egbert with another tip for you. This one's actually going to help you stay organized in your browser. Now, I don't know if your browser looks like this, but this is pretty pared down for me. You can see that I probably have at least 10 tabs open. And I'm sure you're well aware that that could triple if you're on a really busy day and you've got a lot of multitasking that you're just trying to manage. Google Chrome has this great new thing called tab grouping. I absolutely love it. So you can see here I've got quite a variety. I've got some social media, I've got some training stuff, I've got some agile items, hacks, design for reading, just a conglomeration of different things. So what if I wanted to create a group where all of the agile focused pages are listed? I'm going to right click and I'm going to say over here, add tab to new group. It's going to prompt a pop up and I'm going to call this my agile group. I'll select a color and then I'll go ahead and hit enter. So you'll notice that the tab itself is surrounded in the same color as the label. All I have to do is go through here and find my other agile items. Oh, so here's some additional Atlassian stuff. Right click and find add to group, select agile group, and then do that for all of the tabs that you have open. I'll show you the big wow factor here in a little bit. Next, I want to group sort of my social media stuff together. So I'm going to right click on LinkedIn, add to new group, social stuff. Whoops, STUFF. I'm going to choose purple. And I'll hit enter. And I consider this page not found an attempt at finding my WordPress social page. So I'm going to go ahead and add that there. And it looks like that might be it. I want to put all these other design items in a group called design. And I'll do this for a couple of these. Now, what we're going to see, this is just incredible. You're going to love this. Is that if I click on the group, it collapses. If I click on the groups, they collapse. This gives me so much more space. I can even move them by group. So you see that I clicked and dragged the group does open, but it also moves. When you close and open a group of tabs in Google Chrome, it'll always default to the next first open tab that is listed to the right. It doesn't matter if it's in or out of a group. For example, I'm going to go ahead and close that group. You'll see I have a closed group, closed group, and a set of tabs that are just individually open. If I close this, it's not going to jump to the one under Design Homes because that group is closed. It's going to jump to Training Magazine. I hope you get a lot of use out of that tip. I cannot tell you how it has saved my life. I don't have to throw things into my bookmarks because then my bookmarks look like a disastrous. I'm a hoarder of bookmarks. I admit it. I need a program for it. Thanks, everybody. I hope that you guys all enjoyed, and let me know what you think in the comments. Remember to subscribe.